Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to draw Naruto. First, find some good reference pictures of Naruto to guide your drawing. Then, begin by sketching simple shapes like circles and ovals to block out his pose and proportions. Always start with the head. It's the foundation for getting the rest of the body right. Don't worry about perfection at this stage, just get those basic forms down. This initial step is crucial for a balanced final drawing. Now let's refine Naruto's head. Start with a circle, then add the jawline to give his face shape. Use light lines to mark where his eyes, nose, and mouth will go, ensuring they are evenly spaced. Next, draw his distinctive spiky hair, making sure it has that energetic upward flow. Don't forget his Konoha Village headband, which is a key part of his look. Pay attention to the details on the headband for authenticity. Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful and are enjoying learning how to draw Naruto, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. On another note, if you're looking to master your finances as much as you're mastering drawing, I have a quick recommendation. The book *The Simple Path to Wealth* is fantastic for changing how you think about money. You can find the link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Moving on to the body, use basic shapes like cylinders for the limbs and a rectangle for the torso to build his frame. Once the pose is set, start drawing his iconic orange and black jacket, paying attention to the folds and how it drapes. Make sure to include the high collar and the swirl emblem on the back. Finally, add his ninja pouch on his right leg and any other small details like his sandals or arm wraps. These elements bring the drawing to life.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.